Let's solve a problem involving parametric derivatives. Given the parametric equations x equals e to the t times cosine t and y equals e to the t times sine t, find dy dx. Let's solve this step by step. First, we need to find dx dt using the product rule. Remember, when differentiating a product of two functions, we multiply the derivative of the first function by the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. For x equals e to the t times cosine t, we get dx dt equals e to the t times cosine t plus e to the t times negative sine t. This simplifies to e to the t times quantity cosine t minus sine t. Similarly, for y equals e to the t times sine t, dy dt equals e to the t times sine t plus e to the t times cosine t. This simplifies to e to the t times quantity cosine t plus sine t. Now we can use the chain rule for parametric equations, which states that dy dx equals dy dt divided by dx dt. Let's substitute our expressions. Notice that e to the t appears in both the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel it out. This gives us our final answer. dy dx equals cosine t plus sine t divided by cosine t minus sine t. And that completes our solution.